Assalamu alaikum to all your India student. Today we have a new exponential equation. 8 exponent of x is equal to 800. How we can find the value of x is unknown. So in this type of question, first of all, we can simplify their elements, and here we can write this term 2 exponent 8 exponent of x is equal to 8 multiplied by 100. We can write in 8 multiplied by 10 square. Now here is it 8 and here is it 8. We are divided on both sides by 8 is equal to 8 multiplied by 10 square divided by 8. Both are cancelled. So according to these rules, according to the division rule, we are subtract their power if bases are same. When bases are same, we subtract their power, and here base is 8 and here power is 1. 8 exponent of x minus 1 is equal to, and here 10 square is remaining. Now taking log, apply log on both sides. 8 exponent of x minus 1 is equal to log of 10 square. Now according to the another rule, logarithm power rule, log of x log of m exponent of n is equal to n times log of m. According to this rules, we are applying on both terms, and here x minus 1 log of 8 is remaining and 2 log of 10 is remaining. Now we try to finish the value of log of 8, and here x minus 1 and 2 log of 8 dividing both sides by log of 8 is equal to 2 log of 10 divided by log of 8. According to the base law, x minus 1 is equal to 2 log of 10 and divided by log of 8. Now changing base, replying in here fourth law of logarithm, we can say it m n, and here nm. So we can apply in here log of n m a divided by log of a n. According to this law, we are applying here. So we can write this from 2 log of 10 and here base is 8. Now we change this result 1 to the right side. So x is equal to 1 plus 2 log of 8 exponent of 10 is the required answer. Is correct or not? Verification. Verification. So in the place of x, we put this result 8 exponent of 1 plus 2 log of 8 exponent of 10 is question mark is 800. We bring in here 8. So according to the exponent rule, a exponent of m plus n is equal to a exponent of m and a exponent of n. According to this law, we are expanding this term 8 exponent of 1 and 8 exponent of 2 log of 8 10 is question mark is 800. Again, we can apply in here power rule. This 2 will be changed in here 8 log of 8 and 10 square is question mark is 800. So this result is equal to 1 and 10 square is remaining 8 and 10 square is question mark is 800. So this will be 8 and 100 multiplied by 8. So we get 800 is equal to 800. So our answer is correct. X is equal to 1 plus 2 log of 8 exponent